In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Fusion 360. We'll create a clean 2D sketch, choose the right drawing tools, lay down a basic shape, lock in its exact size with dimensions, and then finish the sketch so it's ready for 3D features. Start by creating a sketch. Click the Create Sketch icon in the top left and choose one of the three origin planes, XY, XZ, or YZ. So think of these as your top, front, and side starting surfaces. If you're unsure, XY is a great default for a top-down view. You'll see the grid and the origin point appear. Use your mouse wheel to zoom and the middle mouse button to pan so you're comfortably centered around the origin. This makes snapping and measuring easier. Next, pick a drawing tool from the toolbar. You can use line with the L shortcut, 2-point rectangle with R, or center diameter circle with C. These shortcuts are handy for switching quickly. If you start a tool and change your mind, press Escape to cancel and select another. Now draw your shape. Click once on the grid to place your first point, move your mouse to preview the geometry, and click again to set the next point or define the shape. For lines, each click creates a segment. Press Escape when you're done. For a 2-point rectangle, click the first corner, then the opposite corner. For a center diameter circle, click to place the center and click again to set its size. Don't worry about exact dimensions yet. Focus on laying out the general form. You'll notice helpful snap guides and angles appear as you move, which keep your sketch neat and aligned. With the shape roughed in, add precise dimensions. Press D on your keyboard, click a line or a circle edge. Move your cursor to position the dimension and click to place it. Type the value you want, like 50 mm, and press Enter. That size is now locked. You can also set distances between two lines or points by clicking them one after the other before placing the dimension. If your document units are in inches, you can still type values with mm and Fusion will convert. Dimensions drive the exact size, and constraints that Fusion adds automatically help keep things consistent. When everything looks right, click Finish Sketch in the toolbar. You'll return to the 3D workspace, and your sketch is ready for operations like extrude. If your lines are black, the sketch is fully defined. If some are blue, you can always reopen the sketch and add more dimensions later. Save your design and you're set.